All right, guys, welcome to the fifth part of this long series of coffee app. And I definitely think I would need a coffee. But, anyways, so we are sending this value to be displayed, sending value to be displayed on the cart icon. Okay, so we'll come back in here. Let's go all fragment, and here we receive quantity. And what have we got here? Quantity is going to be all coffee list arguments from bundle get arguments get quantity. And did I initialize the view? No, I did not initialize the view here. Text view quantity on cart, quantity on cart view, find view by ID. On the floating action button, actually. Quantity on fab. So let's just name that to all coffee. And I guess I have given this on the wrong. Oh no, I given this at the right place. And we'll just quantity on the fab. Okay, let's just come in here and also get the floating action button. Fab. Okay, so now quantity on the fab is going to be how do I say this? String dot value dot quantity. But now, as soon as I'm going to show you this, there will be another error too, and I will not tell you what it is, but I guess you will understand once we see it. And this is very, so see, now this is 0. So once I place the order, this is 3. Perfect. Once I, now this is 4, but this should be 7 because this is 3 and this is 4. And why is it that is being replaced, not being added? We have to do that. So what do we got? What I'll do is I will what I'll do is let's go and get this collection cart or let's just go and maybe coffees. Get add on complete listener. So we have to add all the quantities in order to display them. But maybe this approach is not going to work, but let's try. Why not? Okay, coffee model ds to object coffee model dot class, and here we need quantity guess. That is the problem, because we need an incremented quantity of all these quantities. Quantity coffee model. So yeah, we would need a special method that I have done here. Product fragment quantity in the cart. Okay, so quantity. This is like a bit of an extra method that I have done. So quantity adding all integers, because just hold on guys, if I'm going to, like, let me just show you first. Now if you see this, we'll understand that what is happening is that this is going to display the values one by one. Okay, the app is crashing. I have done something wrong. I think I did not create the instance of Firestore here. Okay, I hope the app launches this time. Okay, this, and if I just go, okay, go files. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm trying to do is that add all these values together. And why is this not running? Let's just rerun the app maybe. Oh wow. Okay, where is my app? Why is this not working? Files, if task is successful, ds get documents. Let's try this. Maybe we'll be able to see something. If the task is not successful. Okay, for some reason this, okay, oh yeah. Oh, the task is successful, so yeah. It is showing us that the values that are being shown that are in the card. So all other coffees, I believe, if I, the one is 4, obviously it's not showing in the order, and one is 3, and latte is 0, I guess. So yeah, this is showing 0, and obviously it is adding up again and again. So yeah, this is working, and now we have to add it. So yeah, let's just get rid of this else clause. Okay, how do we add this? Uh, how do we add this? Okay, there is a method that I had done here. So save quantity. We are creating a list of an integer. Okay, yeah, so these are all integer values. First of all, let's develop that. So these are all integers. Okay, that is why we are creating a list of integers. Okay, and then what we do is we save quantity, add these, got it. We add these values into the list, and then we create a for loop just right outside of this loop. Quantity sum, and let's just bring it here right outside it. Quantity on fab, quantity sum Okay, let's try that. This is kind of a weird algorithm that I had seen from, I think, Stack Overflow, like when I was working on that app. And let's see. So, okay, yeah. 3, 4, 7, 7 to 10 or 9, and green tea to 11, and latte is 0. So this is perfect. And now maybe let's try the subtracting. Okay, so that's kind of a problem, but maybe we have to put that value on the let's see, let's refresh it. Okay. Oh, I wasn't trying to, actually that was okay. I thought I was subtracting, but I was pressing here for subtracting. 10, 9, again it should be 10, and now let's just delete all bubble tea. So total is 10, so it should be 0. So now it should be around like 8 or something. 8. So now it should be 6. Okay, and the reason it shows 1 is like we have to get rid of this placeholder now. So the placeholder should be nothing. Perfect, guys, this is working well. And now all we have got to do is work on the cart like okay, so now there are 6 coffees, and we can verify that by going into our coffees. So no bubble tea, 3 black tea, 0 classic tea, 3 green tea, and 0 latte. So there's this 6, and this is working well. So, and let's say if I do this and I go back, it still works. Okay, so how do I make sure that it does not work? But actually it updates the value here, so it's working. Okay, well, this is fine. If you want to control this behavior, let's say you have not clicked on order and you have gone back, so then maybe you would have to come here. That I will not do because that would be a little bit longer, because here we are updating on where is that? Yeah, so when we add or subtract, okay, let's just, when we add or subtract, we update the quantity right away. And the reason it is showing us even when we did not press order, because in order we are just sending these values to cart, right? But I know why it's doing that, and I can fix it right away actually. So here, whereas where I'm placing showing the values of coffees, it is just the coffees quantity is that we have not placed an order, right? We are just incrementing the values, but when we have placed the order, they go into the cart. So we should be adding the values of the cart quantity, not the coffees. So let's just change this to cart, and now you will see when I press, unless I press order, the the quantity will not be added. So you will see this. Okay, so there is a bit of a problem, and yeah, I would have to create a new model for this, guys. So therefore it crashed. So a little bit of extra step, cart model, and now I have to, like, go remember all that. So let's go in here and do it side by side, because this is what I was wondering, that if I click on the order, then only it should show me the quantity in the cart. If I click back button, then it should not show me, but back button, regardless of that, the quantity is being updated here, because we are, like, incrementing and decrementing in the same, like, right away we want to see it. But once we press order, then we are into cart. So that is why we are adding the values of all the coffees in one cart, and we need to use the cart collection. Oh, coffee name. Oh, no description. Coffee name, image, URL. We were gonna create this anyway. Quantity. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Coffee name. Okay. And what else have we got? We've got a quantity. We've got a price. Maybe we've got a total price. Okay. And okay, so now let's just use this model here in our all. So now this should be working for us. Let's just try to rerun the app. Okay, yeah. So let's say we increase the order here, okay, and I go back. It's still 10 because I haven't ordered, right? I have just left the quantity, but I haven't ordered. But to be, or in order to be this quantity to be added there, I have to press, and now it will be changed. Okay, maybe not. Oh yeah. So let's just try to, like, try to get all the values to 0 in order to do the testing. Okay, maybe. Okay, I'll just do it manually because I don't want to miss my dummy. The code is working, but maybe the value is not being updated, but we'll figure that out. To reset all the values. Okay. So this value is being displayed from where, regardless. Okay, so I'll just try to kill this app for now. And let's see if it's showing us 11. Oh, the cart is still okay, well, why the cart values are not getting deleted? Just go back to the cart, coffee detail. Oh, because those values were there, and that is why we weren't updating the values in cart. Oh, I guess we need to do an extra step, guys, here, because Mm, uh, no, not really. Guess like once I press this, then it should go 0. Mm, hmm, can maybe need to push 0 here on the hmm, maybe when we subtract. Okay, if the quantity is 0, then the card should be 0 too. So I hope it updates the values. Yes. So now if I click 0, okay, yeah. So it takes away again. Click 0. Yeah. Don't worry about the values because the reason it's just trying to reset the old values, and like once we have uh, the new values, it will work. I would like to think so that it works. Okay. So let's just try to reorder stuff. I know it got a little bit complicated. And now let's try to reorder. 3, 3. Classic T, 1, 4. Now let's go to classic T. Let's test the subtracting first. 0, order 3. Why it didn't show 3? Weird. Okay, bubble T 3. Oh, wow. Okay, bubble tea I did not order, so let's not worry about that. 3 and 2. -1, 4. -1 again. Yeah, this is the problem. Guess. Hmm. 4. Okay. Why is it that 0, this is 0, classic T is 0, then why is it there is one number here? Three, some weird error. but we'll fix this right away. So if I look at the card, classic tea is 1 and black tea is 4, showing me 3 here. Maybe I have like incremented in the wrong place. Let's try to reset our card. I'll just delete the card. So if I refresh the app, then it shouldn't show me any values. It's 0 here. And let's just update this to 0. From black tea I need 0. Classic tea I need 0. Green tea is already 0. And latte is 0. Okay. Let's try to place an order. I'll stick with the above 2 teas because just want to test 1. Okay, well, okay, yeah, here 1. Yeah, it shouldn't show. This is the first step because the value is not in the cart yet. So now it should show 1 because the value is in the cart. Oh wow, where did it go? And now black tea 1, but it shouldn't show 2 because the value is not in the cart. I order 2, the value is in the cart. Cart, okay, yeah, so 1 1. Now it should show 0 for bubble tea, so it should only show 1 value in cart. Okay. But here it will, this is the problem because here the cart is getting updated without me having to put 0. Okay, wait one more time. Let's press order. 2 and bubble tea is 0. If quantity is, oh shit. Okay, well, we were doing that with the bubble tea is 0, so okay, so this is going to add 2 values and now bubble tea is 1. This does not get updated because obviously I have to hit order 3 and I come back in here and press 0. This gets updated, value is 2. So I guess this back button behavior we have to control because it's working. It's working when it's only working when I click order, but it's not working when I when I just go back for the decrement. It's just automatically happening. So what we do here is when we are here to update the quantity. Yeah, let's add this too. the addition part. So now hopefully I would like to think that okay, let's go back. So now bubble tea is 0, black tea is 2, and now if I click press plus, the quantity gets added, and 3 comes in here. But if I click minus, I go back, the quantity gets 2, and if I go to bubble tea, I click 1, and I come back here, it gets 3, and if I go back, I minus, so the value is 2 again. But if I get 1, the result is same. 0, result is okay. Okay, so the addition part is working well, and also the what do you call that? Okay, so it's adding well. Yeah, it's adding well. Yep. If you struggle with this, just download the whole source code. But right now it's working. So I add 1 green tea also, 4, and then a minus 1 black tea. Come back here, 3. Okay. So now the reason is, if I go, yeah. So this is what it's doing, is that it is placing the order without having to click the order button. So maybe I'll just like get rid of this order button, and you just go back and it's added, but it's there, so it does the same thing. Yeah, it's totally up to you guys if you want to keep this order button or not, but I'll keep it. And that's it. So our cart is done and the values are being added here. And what we do is we just go to our cart fragment and display these values, and then we will be done. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I know this was a little bit of tough one, but while we are at it, we'll just add some more classic tea. No, let's just stick with these now. So we have 1 green tea, we have 1 quantity, and we have 1 black tea. So we will display these values in cart in the next one once we click on this. So I'll see you in the next one.